Subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Here's how to create this audio spectrum video. Download the latest version of InShot via the link in our description. Import your background video on InShot. Tap PIP, Materials, Atmosphere, and select the Music Player interface. Press Autofill to fit to screen. Tap PIP again, go to Materials, Atmosphere, select Audio Spectrum Material. Press Autofill to fit to screen and move it to your desired position. Now tap PIP, import your profile picture, press the arrow to extend it to the end of the clip. Tap Mask, select the circle mask, move and scale to fit the picture in the spectrum. Now press the material layer to bring your material to the front, and that's it! What music are you into lately? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.